Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to take this lavender color from Melody Susie, and this is the perfect color for the background for my, essentially it's like the top half or like the cowl of Maleficent's like outfit, I guess. It's like the horns and stuff. So I'm going to paint this, and I'm only going to do one coat, and I'm going to come right in with the Bellavina black liner brush and kind of rough out the design and then fill it in. Okay, I'm gonna take this black glitter. It's like a holographic glitter, but it's larger chunks, but not too big. And I'm taking a no white top coat here because essentially this is going to be equivalent to a sugar nail, but it's only going to be on the design. So I had the black paint down, and then I'm going in with the top coat, a little detailer brush, and then going to put the glitter over it, give it a full cure. taking Madame Glam's Perfect Black, and we are going to paint the rest of the nails black, which I thought really complemented and made the horns stick out. Y'all know I'm like afraid of dark colors because I get them everywhere. So I move myself in crazy positions to get it right. And I'm still trying to figure out how to film and get it right. So you can see I turn it sideways, use a striper brush, just anything that will help me not get it on my skin. Taking Big Dipper, which I absolutely love this color gel, and what I'm gonna do is glitter gel. I'm going to put it over the black nails, but I'm gonna do a very thin coat. So I'm just scraping it on, and then when I do the top coat, I kind of float a little of the top coat over it so I don't have a rough texture on it. Taking Super Shiny, I'm not sure if you saw kind of like the side profile of it. It's a little bit of a bumpier texture. So again, I am going to end up floating it on. So just put it on. You could also do 2 coats if you wanted to do thinner coats, but I didn't feel the need to. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.